All right, let's continue on with rounding these numbers to different place values. So here we have the number 7,632, and we're going to round this to the nearest 10 first. So if I look at the tens position, that would be this 3. We have to look one place to the right, which would be the 2. This is not a round up. If it had been 5 or more, we would round up, but this is not. So the 3 is going to stay as a 3. So we have 7, 6, 3, and everything behind it becomes a 0. Now let's round that to the nearest 100 and see if that's any different. So the hundreds position here is this 6. We look one place to the right of it. If it's a 5 or more, we round up. In this case, it is not. So the 6 will remain a 6. It doesn't change. And everything behind it we replace with zeros. So that is a different number. Now what about the thousands? Will that change? So here we start with our original number again. And in the thousands position is this 7. So we look one place to the right. If it is 5 or more, this number rounds up. And in this case, this number will round up. The 7 will round up to an 8, and everything behind it gets replaced with zeros. So that rounds to 8,000. All right, one more of these. Here we have 6,048. So let's round that to the nearest 10. Well, the tens position here is this 4. So we would look one place to the right. If it is 5 or more, we round up. So in this case, we are going to round up. We have 6, 0. The 4 rounds up to a 5, and everything behind it is a 0. So that would round to 6,050. Okay, back with our original number again, 6,048. This time we're going to round to the nearest 100, which is that 0 position there. So we look one place to the right. If it is 5 or more, we round up, and in this case it is not. So we have 6, the 0 stays a 0, doesn't round up, and everything behind it remains a 0. Alright, last one here. We still have our number, 6,048, and this time we're going to be rounding to the nearest 1,000. So we look one place to the right. If this is 5 or more, we round up. But it is not. So this 6 stays as a 6. It doesn't round. And everything behind it becomes zeros.